we're recording now.
OMG.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah.
Everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor. We just did a whole spiel and it wasn't recording.
And who knows? I probably didn't even record the end of this thing, but whatever. The hair is done. It's cute. It's cute. It's beautiful, y'all. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12, but technically 2 here, so we'll say 13. All right. I start in the front just to make sure that the most important parts have what they need. Okay, so when I passed it through like this, it puts the loop in the front like this, and it doesn't look good. The loop is in the front. We don't want that, so I'm going to take it out and go the opposite direction. I'm going to take this out. So instead of going this way, I'm going to go this way. So it's good if your loop is on the bottom, if that's the back of your head. But for the front, if she's ever going to pull it forward, I don't want the loop to be showing. So we're doing it from the side like this. Since she's going to wear it to her side. So hold up guys, see I'm not in the front anymore. Now it's falling, so I'm going to go this way so the loop can go down.
gonna leave my hair down a lot for this style, but normally I like to wear my hair up. But if you wanna see it kind of up so you can see.
Put your hair down a little bit for us to see it too. Okay. All right. It's real pretty. Yeah. Gotta do pictures. Yeah. This.
It don't seem like it tangles either.
I hope not.
Girl, yeah, I'm ready now.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the booty. Shake the booty. Aw, shake, shake, shake.